from another beautiful day here in Thailand. Today, Anna and I have gone off on an adventure. We left Chiang Mai early this morning. Today we're going to be exploring a national park, seeing some elephants, meeting some villagers. It's going to be a really good day.
The local people who stay around the mountain, when we pay for water.
Yeah, they're very beautiful flower, red, pink, white, purple. Inside they have a green fruit leaf pot. We use a Chiang Mai as a scrap. The resin coming out white like a milk. 2 or 3 days, change the color brown, black, and sticky. That's a raw opium, and we take it for smoking, make some morphine, make some heroin. And here we like to make a painkiller. Burn the small pieces, mix with the water, drink when headache, when stomach.
Anna, how did you feel about your little nature walk?
It was great. I love the woods. I'll stay there all day.
Now I believe we're going to see the tallest peak in Thailand, and then we're gonna go meet some elephants. Yikes. It's the moment we've been waiting for.
Yeah, we're gonna go see the elephants.
Yay! Oh my goodness. Hello. Okay, okay.
This guy rejects anything but bananas. Okay. Whoa. She's chewing.
Yeah, hi buddy. Bye.
Yes, it's now the color change. You have to cut what the vegetable you have to be cut. Tomato and spicy first, salty later, sweet later, last is sour the same. These ingredients. Pull back and roll up. Pull again and roll. Pull tight. See. You make swing like this, back and go. Yeah, that's okay. That's good. That's okay. That's okay. This.
I'm not that skilled.
Okay. More flavor. The color.
Okay.
Order. It's 15. Yep. Match time. Okay. Now you add 2. This one about 3 tablespoons. That also 3 tablespoons.
Start our own cooking show.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Anna and Anna.
Smell already, right? And like that. Good. One more. Good. And sugar, the sweet, 2 tablespoons too.
2 tablespoons.
That's 1. Seasoning for 2, but spice and onion, carrot.
That's it for this episode. Join us next time as we visit the otherworldly temples in Chiang Mai. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of my travels, be sure to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.